Periodic medical examination (PME) evaluates the general health status of employees and is recommended to be done annually. There are two types of centers where you can avail PME: empaneled and non-empaneled. At empaneled centers, PME is a hassle-free and cashless procedure with the amount covered by the company. Follow the simple steps to avail your PME. Check eligibility on the PME page. If eligible, you can view, download and share your PME letter from this screen. Check tie-up centers for the list of diagnostic centers available. You can then book your appointment at any center of your choice directly via the app. Choose your preferred date and time from the available slots. Check your details before you confirm the appointment. Upon confirmation, you will receive an email with the appointment details and PME letter. In the absence of the book button, you can directly contact the center. Visit the empaneled center with the PME letter to get your test done. Do not skip any test mentioned in the PME letter. A copy of your reports will be sent directly to your health locker and RMS doctor. Employees can choose to get PME done at any reputed diagnostic center of their choice via the non-empaneled center option. At non-empaneled center, the cost is initially borne by you and later you can file for reimbursement as per the eligibility. Follow the simple steps to avail PME at non-empaneled centers. Check eligibility on the PME page. If eligible, you can view, download and share your PME letter from this screen. Visit any diagnostic center of your choice with the printout of PME letter to get your test done. All the tests mentioned in the PME letter are important, and it is advised to not skip any. After the reports are generated, the diagnostic center will share the reports with you. You must send the report to the company via upload reports mentioned on the PME landing page. The test reports will be reviewed by our doctors, and you will be advised accordingly. Once reports are verified, you'll receive a medical advice email from the doctor, and you can then file for reimbursement on ESS or our Connect. The amount will be reimbursed as per the policy and eligibility criteria. To know more, you can check the policy on this path. You can also find all your PME queries answered in the FAQ section on the JioHealthHub app. For any further assistance, you can reach out to us via WhatsApp, helping you stay on top of your health.